In this video, the else keyword is introduced. To do this, a modification is made to the second program found in Jajuka Swift's YouTube video titled, Understanding the If Keyword in C Programming Beginner-Friendly Examples. Here is the modified code. The only change that was made is right here. Else replaced if tax 2 is greater than tax 1. You get the same result, but else expresses intent clearly and prevents future logic bugs. Here is what the result looks like when we run the program. Now, let's have a look at using else to modify the first program in the same video. Using else allows you to shorten the code significantly. Let's first remind ourselves of what the old program looked like. This is the top portion of the program, and this is the lower portion. Back to our new modified program, which uses the else keyword. This program is much smarter. It will determine if the number the user entered is less than, equal to, or greater than 5, which is a huge improvement. This is what it looks like if we run the program. What you should notice is the 3 examples where the program was able to determine if the number entered was less than 5, equal to 5, or greater than 5.